Hi, welcome to No More Glitches. Today in this video, you will learn how to delete your Facebook account temporarily or permanently. First, open your Facebook app and click on the top right corner on menu. Here, tap on this setting icon. Now, click on See More in Account Center. Now, scroll a little bit and tap on Personal Details. Here, select Account Ownership and Control. Now tap on deactivation or deletion. Here you need to select the account you want to delete and tap on it. Here you can see two options are available. First one is deactivating your account temporarily and second one is delete your account permanently. As I want to delete my account permanently, so I will go with the second option and press continue. Here, choose a reason why you want to delete your account and press continue. Again, press continue and again. Here's the last but important step. You need to enter the password of your Facebook account and press continue. Your account will be deleted and you have done. Hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and share or subscribe for more. See you in the next video.